I'm really glad that this is the time that you're already starting to organize some weddings, let's say post-COVID, as much as we can. Things will still evolve, of course, and 2022 might be a different year. I'd like us to consider, and we need your insight on, can you give us 5 tips for planning a destination wedding in 2022 in a post-COVID environment?
Well, I would say that it's important for the couple to think about what the kind of experience they really want to have for their wedding. And a lot of couples now, most of my couples want a destination type wedding. So they need to figure out the areas that they have history maybe, and if they've been on a trip to France, for instance, or if they've been to the Napa Valley, or if they love going to St. Bart's, like whatever it is that they like, and if that's where they really imagine themselves getting married, then I think that's the number one thing, is they really need to figure out, do they want a beach? Do they want a city? Do they want the country? What kind of food do they want? All those things make up the whole wedding experience. So I would say that's important. I would look for a location that has hotel accommodations where everyone can stay together comfortably. That makes for, to me, the best formula for a successful destination. So wedding, because then people are together, the logistics are easy. After they come home from the party, if they're not tired, they can meet up and have a bottle of wine. It makes it very seamless to do that. So that's the thing. I would definitely hire a planner. So that's, like I said before, I think a destination wedding is no easy feat, and there's a lot of guessing, and you don't want to leave your wedding to guessing.
True. Especially if it's over few days, there are so many moments to, let's say, not mess up. But of course, that's very important. Mm-hmm.
Exactly. And then I would say, sadly, I think we still need to consider COVID for 2022. I think the world is looking good, but I wouldn't want to ignore it completely. So you would want to look at the contracts and talk to the venue and see if there's a way, if you had to postpone, what that could look like, so you don't lose all your money.
Of course.
Maybe delay it, and that will be good. Or maybe the venue will give you a credit for a party within 2 years, so that way you don't lose all of your money if you have. I hate to say that, but I think it's the reality that we've been faced with, and it's sad, but I overall am extremely optimistic.
Yes, that's great. Do you have anything else in terms of tips?
I don't think so. I think finding the wedding, the place where you're actually going to get married and have your reception, is the key item. Because if that speaks to you, the rest of it falls into place. It's not hard to find the party locations and make those fun. I would find the venue that you love and make sure that it's accessible for your guests, that you don't have to put your guests through so much.
So true.